Hello and welcome to ISTV English News. This is Nandita Lashram giving you the news. First, the headlines. Manipur observes 64th Republic Day celebration amidst boycott called by various UG outfit of North-East including Manipur. And normal life cripples due to 24-hour boycott called by the UG outfit. And now the news in details. As a part of the nationwide celebration of the 64th Republic Day celebration, Manipur also observed the day at its state level, district and sub-divisional level. The main state function was held at Kangla under the initiative of the state government. Governor Gurbachan Singh Jagat, Chief Minister Akram Ibobi Singh, cabinet ministers, MLAs and other top officials of the civil and police were also present on the occasion. Governor Gurbachan Singh Jagat inspected the Guard of Honor and took salute of various contingent of the march past. He also unfurled the tricolor national flag. He also gave away the gallantry and distinguished medals to the 9 police personnel in recognition of the dedicated and excellent service. In all 114 contingents, including 9 band party, 15 cultural troops and 12 tableaus were from different departments. Education department with 80 contingents has the maximum number of contingents.
Class 10 na command of the command of government high school is a potential sa namin din ba na si all man po ay na command of contingent tumo din ni na contingent na si ko na si all man po ay na passenger kaya association ni gusto pa ng mga lele
cultural dance and research center द्रुत गति व उछल कूद आपके उत्पन्न होने के साथ and 6 policemen for Byalan. Shri N.
Yung sumnamay siya na ba amati mati panlam kamle. Muna kay singo kuda siya na yan. Person ki kholaw na putok.
The 64th Republic Day celebration was also observed at Imphal East District by DC Imphal East R.K. Dinesh, unfurling the tricolor Indian flag at DC Office Complex. Speaking on the occasion, R.K. Dinesh maintained that Imphal East District could be achieved headway in many fields and areas towards development. Many top officials of civil and police were also present on the occasion held under the district administration Imphal East. DC Imphal East R.K. Dinesh took the salute of march past of different contingent. Speaking on the occasion, R.K. Dinesh maintained that with the celebration of the 64th Republic Day celebration, our fathers who had laid down their lives for independence of the nation were once again remembered. He also observed that it is our bounden duty to pay homage and respect to our brave and courageous freedom fighter as he snatched freedom once again from the yoke of the British rule. He also asserted that within few years' time, a lot of developmental activities could be seen in Imphal East. Development in rural areas could be seen as rural development program has been taken up. Remarkable progress could be seen in the field of education, road communication and health sector. He also maintained that it is very encouraging to computerize all the land records. He also lauded the role taken by district police to maintain law and order within the district.
This day, the 26th of January, marks the transition from being a British dominion to a republic. 26 January 1950 is also the date on which we adopted and enacted and gave to ourselves our constitution.
In Jiribam subdivision also, the 64th Republic Day was held with full security. ADC Jiribam Iboyama unfurled the tricolor national flag. The day was observed under district administration Imphal East. Speaking on the occasion, ADC Iboyama said, conversion of creation of Jiribam as a separate district depends upon the people of Jiribam. India is full democratic country, though its neighbors such as Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Myanmar are not fully democratic nations. location. He also maintained that Jiribam as the second gate of Manipur apart from being second Dimapur. In connection with the day, Best Social Worker Award was given to S. Iboton Singh, Chief Functionary of Child Ashram. Republic Day celebration was also observed at RIMS. Director RIMS Professor S. Sekharjit hoisted the national flag to mark the celebration. Sekharjit took salute of various contingent represented by nurses, medical and dental college students. As a part of the celebration, sweets were also distributed to the patients in different wards of the institute. Speaking in connection with the day, Director Sekharjit maintained that the institute is making headway in various fields and expressed happiness that dental, medical and nursing college are all within the RIMS complex. He further said that efforts are on to open a paramedical college on RIMS campus from next year. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam has appealed not to inculcate the feeling of separatism as hills and valley people are all sons and daughters of the same mother. He said this in connection with the 64th Republic Day and the 98th birth anniversary of Rani Gaidinliu held at Congress Bhavan today. Gaikangam unfurled the tricolour national flag and also leads others in paying floral tributes to the photo of the late Rani Gaidinliu. He further said as per the direction of the AICC, the birth and death anniversary of Rani Gaidinliu and Bir Tikendrajit was also observed by MPCC. Saying we are all Indians, he further said that all the hills and valley people of Manipur should work for the welfare of Manipur. He also urged to maintain harmony, thinking ethnic lines only should be avoided and must build unity and integrity of the state.
Manipur habi ma riba asiki sa ngagtani khanduna ka punan to khai tabu khan hadokna selfish aba ai kanti khanbo khan hadokta akoi Manipur gidamakta ga asi hena sakhatpa hena unity leiba hena mapang leiba dugama prosperous oiba leba ama watapa leba sahong hong leba ama ingta taptang leiba leba ama ne bil ka punan konmin na sidra si process ka punamakta bizna.
Normal life cripples in the state following the 24-hour general strike called by different UG organizations of the North-East, including Coordination Committee of 7 UG outfit of Manipur. It may be recalled that Republic Day has been boycotted by several UG outfit of the North-Eastern region for the past many years. In Manipur also, the boycott impact was visible as roads and streets were a deserted loop. Four-wheelers, two-wheelers, passengers and other vehicles were off the road. Interstate and inter-district buses did not ply on the road. All business establishment and commercial center were closed down and shutters were off the road. Security personnel were deployed at all strategic locations to prevent any untoward incident. Well, but before we close the headlines once again, Manipur observes 64th Republic Day celebration amidst boycott called by various UG outfit of North-East, including Manipur, and normal life cripples due to 24-hour boycott called by UG outfit. With this, we end this news. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.